Hello, my friends. Welcome to Mr. Master English today. I'm Adam, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This podcast is here to help you improve your English step by step, day by day. Before we begin, please tell me your name and where you're from in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Today, we're going to talk about how to practice English every day. By the end of this episode, you'll have simple, practical ideas that you can use starting today. You'll know exactly what to do to practice English, even if you only have 5 or 10 minutes. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Why does this matter? Learning a language is like building a muscle. If you go to the gym one time for 5 hours, you won't get strong. But if you go for 20 minutes every day, your muscles will grow. English is the same. When you practice a little bit every single day, your English grows. Your confidence grows. Your brain starts to think in English. You don't need fancy words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to show up every day and try. That's all. I promise you, if you practice a little bit every day, you will see progress. Let's start with the first way to practice English every day. Listen to English. Listen to English every single day. You can listen to this podcast. You can listen to debate. You can listen to the news. You can listen to conversation in English. When you listen, your brain learns. Your brain hears the sounds of English. Even if you don't understand every word, that's okay. Your brain is still learning. Here's an example. In the morning when you wake up, put on an English podcast while you make breakfast. Listen while you cook. Listen while you eat. That's 5 or 10 minutes of English practice. Or when you drive to work, listen to English conversation. Or at night before you sleep, listen to a short English story. Just 5 minutes. Now you say it. I listen to English every day. Now you try. Good job. The second way is to read something in English every day. Reading is so powerful. When you read, you see how English is written. You learn new words. But you don't need to read difficult books. Start small. Start simple. Read one sentence from an English learning website. Or read the caption on an Instagram post in English. Or read a children's book. Children's books use simple words. They're perfect for practice. Now you say it. I read English every day. Now you repeat. Excellent. The third way is to speak English out loud every single day. I know maybe you feel shy. Maybe you think, but Adam, I don't have anyone to talk to. That's okay. You can talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. When you speak out loud, your mouth learns how to make the sounds. You build confidence. When you wake up in the morning, say out loud, "Good morning. Today is Monday. The weather is sunny." Or when you're cooking, describe what you're doing. Say, "I'm cutting the onion. Now I'm adding salt." It doesn't matter if anyone hears you. You're practicing. Now you say it. I speak English out loud every day. Now you try. Perfect. The fourth way is to write in English every day. Writing helps you think in English. You don't need to write a lot, just write 2 or 3 sentences. At the end of each day, write about your day. Write, "Today I went to work. I had lunch with my friend. I felt happy." Simple sentences. True sentences about your life. Now you say it. I write in English every day. Now you repeat. Great. Number 5. Use English in your daily life. Change the language on your phone to English. Now, every time you use your phone, you're reading English. Or when you search on the internet, search in English. Or when you make a shopping list, write it in English. Write milk, eggs, bread in English. Now you say it. I use English in my daily life. Now you try. Good. The sixth way is to think in English. When you see something, name it in English in your head. You see a tree. Think tree. You see a car. Think car. Or describe what you're doing in your head. Think, I'm walking, I'm sitting, I'm drinking water. Your brain is practicing. Now you say it. I think in English every day. Now you repeat. Well done. Now, let's see how this works together. Imagine your day. You wake up and say in English, "Good morning." You eat breakfast and listen to an English podcast. On your way to work, you think in English. During lunch, you read one paragraph from an English website. After work, you watch a show in English. Before bed, you write 3 sentences about your day. You see, English is part of your whole day. You don't need to do all of these things every single day. Some days you might only listen. Some days you might only write. That's okay. The goal is to touch English every day in some way. 5 minutes counts. What matters is consistency. Let me answer some common questions. Adam, how much time do I need? Even 5 minutes is enough if you do it every single day. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Start with what you can do. What if I don't understand everything? That's completely normal. You're not supposed to understand everything. Your brain is absorbing patterns and sounds. Understanding will come with time. What if I make mistakes? Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake you make is a chance to learn. Native speakers make mistakes too, so don't be afraid, just try. Now let me give you some tips. Tip number 1. Make it easy. Choose materials that match your level. When practice is easy, you'll want to do it every day. Tip number 2. Make it fun. Choose things you enjoy. If you love cooking, watch cooking videos in English. If you love nature, watch documentary in English. When practice is fun, learning happens naturally. Tip number 3. Be consistent, not perfect. Some days you'll practice for 20 minutes. Some days for 3 minutes. That's okay. What matters is that you do something every single day. Tip number 4. Be patient with yourself. Learning English takes time. Don't compare yourself to other people. You're on your own path. As long as you keep practicing, you're moving forward. Now, here's your daily challenge. Today or tomorrow, choose one way to practice English. Just one. Maybe you'll listen to an English podcast. Maybe you'll write 3 sentences about your day. Maybe you'll speak to yourself for 2 minutes. Choose one thing. Do it. And then tomorrow, do it again. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. All right, my friend. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today we talked about how to practice English every day through listening, reading, speaking, writing, using English in daily life, and thinking in English. Remember, you don't need to do everything. You just need to do something small every single day. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about making progress. It's about showing up for yourself day after day. And I'm so proud of you for being here today, for listening, for learning. I believe in you. I know you can do this. Keep practicing every day, even just for 5 minutes. 5 minutes can change everything. Thank you so much for listening to Mr. Master English today. I'm Adam, and I am proud of you for showing up today and learning with me. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.